see him do a major jump or something. This video is probably gonna suck. This video is gonna suck because of the rain, for the wind.
Yeah.
Make more when he comes back.
Just goes into the bush. For me, Blakey. Or we used to have wood for Blake when it all came out there. It was down that one.
Yeah. See how deep it is. Yep. It's not that deep. You can see the...
BJ, walk along the road part. Hey! Along the road where the road follows. Yeah.
You're gonna try and go through Ivan?
Well, he's still not on the road. I think the road goes this way a little bit.
Hey, he's going up.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Stay to that side.
But he went around this way, there's a drop off right here. Well, show me!
Yeah, to go stay over to this side more. It's soft. Stay to that side.
Well, show me!
Yeah, to go stay over to this side more. It's soft.
Just like that time there. So if you hit it hard, you'll be able to. There you go.
It was deep there. Oh, there's another one. It actually don't look like somebody. It looks like somebody driven here not that long ago.
Let him go. Let him go.
Oh, this one looks. This one's shallow.
Sure?
Yeah, I can see the bottom. Okay, I lied.
Holy fuck! Right over the hook.
Yeah.
Do your camera. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Don't tell me.
Look in this deep. Can you zoom in on this or no? It came right over the hood of my truck. Well, let's keep going. Well, who the fuck cut it all off?
It was broken like that whenever I got it. That's why I didn't want to fucking take it in too much water.